The water came up from the creek. It had never flooded here before. It came all the way up to this porch, and it flooded my basement completely. I had 4 feet of water down there, and it was not fun getting it out. I lost antiques, collectibles, something I had saved for many years. Gone now, they're in the bin. William Street, which is the corner here, it just, everybody along William Street all the way up to 23rd was inundated. Everyone was underwater. I'm not the only one. When I went to go see you people today at your booth, I felt much better. Your representative treated me with such respect and empathy. I just felt much better after I left. I want to say thank you to all the volunteers, because without them, this wouldn't have happened. And I would like to volunteer with you guys. I would, honestly.